RC Room YouTube channel.
So I have 4 aluminum lock rings left. I have 4 brass lock rings left. I have 8 blue inserts left. Okay. Now, that one's done. That one's done. Okay. That one's done. And then if you look down here, that one's done. Now, that one's running dual stage foams, which I think would need the green ones with the Chiracs. That one is running stock tires and wheels, which probably wouldn't hurt to upgrade it. Okay. That Ecto is running dual stage foams. So, with Duratrax tires, because of the soft sidewalls, this right here would be perfect. But those dual stage foams are working really good. I kind of modified them. So, let's see. What else do I have? I've got my Vetera Ascender. Yep. And let's see, that would be 2, 4, 6, and that. I don't believe any of those would get them. So eventually, what about that? Upgrade tires. I've got upgrade wheels on it already. So, you can see those are QT wheels, which are really cool, from Amazon. I'm at a dilemma. I'd like to see my TRX4 Sport with a set of blues in it, because it needs it. Those dual stage foams on that thing are all over the place, man. They just flop back and forth and back and forth. So, that might be my next objective. And then, I bought my son some 2.2s for his birthday. And guess what? They're not INJORA. But, he can't use them after all. He thought he could. So, we're putting those 2.2s in that anti-foam made out of 3D print TPUs. Yeah, I've still got a little bit of tinkering to do. Lots of having fun to do here in Larry's RC Room. Look, I appreciate y'all watching. Yep. Hey, have a great day. Alright, blessings from the great Smoky Mountains here in East Tennessee. Yes, sir. That stuff we've got going on, don't we? Really, really do. Daylight's starting to come up outside. We have a lot of RCs in here. I mean, a lot. Yes, that's a boat over there too. Heck yeah. I appreciate y'all watching my stuff, but I'm going to be honest with you. My YouTube days are about done. I've about had a fun time doing these videos, but these things take so much of my time. They really do. Today we're going to take those U4s, Casey Curry U4 racers out, and we're going to play with them. Yes, we are. I thought about taking out my Big Eagle over there and playing with it. Yeah, there's Riley and Ridemore and Donald Trump holding down the fort with him. I got some work I need to do on that. Yep. And A little bit of work to do on that. But I appreciate each and every one of you. You've subscribed to my channel. It helps a lot. I still haven't reached that 1,000 mark. Looks like I ain't going to. So, but I appreciate you guys, the ones that have. And we're just gonna, unfortunately, have to hold up YouTube for a while. It's just getting too much expense without any kind of monetary reward. So if you know people, you can tell they're subscribed and tell them to subscribe. I can keep producing without it. Without getting monetized, I ain't going to be able to keep producing. This stuff gets expensive quick. So, anyway, appreciate it. Have a great day. Nice weekend. Stay safe and play healthy. We're out.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe buttons and leave me a comment too.